Hi, this is Watson with Security Alarm, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to change your system battery in your Proa7plus panel. Um, if you look here, there is a trouble on the panel, system battery missing. I have that unplugged just to help show the demonstration on this, but also it could say system battery low. So I'll put the model number in this video for you if you got this alert on your panel or you've been notified by Central Station or Total Connect. We'll put that model number in this video. Also, before you get started, I wanted to show you this. So once you get that battery, the first step that you want to do before you do anything is put the system on test. You need to call our office at 618-548-5768. Make sure you have your information for us so we can get you on test and also answer any questions that you have. So once you receive that battery, and you've got the system on test, it's now time to open up this panel. But to do that, you're only going to need one tool, which is just a Phillips head screwdriver. And the reason for that is there is a lock screw on the bottom here. So the first thing you're going to do is just undo that screw. And that lock screw, just make sure you don't lose that. Put that on the side. And then this panel, we're going to take it out of the bracket, the mounting bracket. And to do that, you're going to take the bottom out first. And I just do it like this so that way I have it. Or you can do it like this. But I like to pop the bottom out first. And then I have that removed. And if you noticed, the very first thing, it powered down. Don't be alerted. That's normal. The reason why that is I have the battery pack unplugged. And of course, when you remove this, the first step is to unplug it, which I again already did that because I wanted you to see that powered down. You're going to unplug that, and then you're going to take the bracket that keeps that battery from just falling out onto the floor. There's two little arrows. It's telling you which way to slide, and it has a little place for your thumb to push. And you have to push pretty good. I press down and then push, and then what that does, it allows you to take this piece out. So you can just put that to the side and then simply take that battery out, get the new one, and you're just going to put it back in the new one. And then if you see here, there's only one place to put this little plug in, which is nice. You can't put it in wrong. So if it doesn't seem like it's fitting, you probably have the wrong way. So you first plug that new battery in, just like that. Take your bracket that you took out, and you're going to just do it in reverse order. You're going to get that just right, and then push it in. You're going to hear a little snap. That's normal. You know you got it in there. And then if you notice, you got a new battery in there. It's not going to power up. This only powers up on AC voltage. So once you do that, you're going to look at the top here. You're going to make sure that the camera Pro Series is at the top. You're going to want to make sure that you get the top in first, and then the very last, pop it. You're going to have a startup screen. It's going to flash white. That's normal. And then you see the Residio manufacturer. Go ahead and put the set screw back in. That way that's locked. You have that done. And this is something that might take a little bit. So you could be 30 seconds to a minute for this to boot up. It's going to check the battery, check the system, check power, all that. Once you get through that, it could be 3 to 5 minutes before it's back online. But if something doesn't seem right, because it's going to say please stand by, it's going to go through all these checks, and then it's going to get to the screen that should show that the battery is good. And again, that battery, you could possibly be an hour-ish before the battery is showing back, not missing or not low, because when they come from the manufacturer, the battery may not be fully charged. It may take a little bit to charge back up. But most often, the new battery is good. The low battery, once it starts up, doesn't show low anymore. If something doesn't seem right, because this will take a little bit. If something doesn't seem right, please call 618-548-5768, and we can just kind of walk you through some more steps if needed. But we're always here to help. So if you have any other questions, just let us know.